Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dalila Saki from SLS 502 branch. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, I will teach you mathematics and here is your new maths book. And the topic of today's lesson that we are going to do is greater than and less than. Before going to start our lesson, let me introduce you a character. Look at this character. What is this? Yes, this is Mr. Crocodile. And do you know Mr. Crocodile likes to eat what? Mr. Crocodile always likes to eat bigger numbers. It always open its mouth towards the bigger numbers. Okay, look at these two fish bowls. There are fish in these bowls. Let's count the fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And over here 1, 2, 3, 4. So children, there are 6 fish in this bowl and there are 4 fish in this bowl. Which bowl is having more number of fish? 6. So now Mr. Crocodile will open its mouth towards number 6 and Mr. Crocodile checks their tens first. This number 81 is having 8 tens and this number 63 is having 6 tens. So which number is having more number of tens? Which number will be eaten by Mr. Crocodile? Yes, number 81 is bigger because it is having more number of tens. So Mr. Crocodile will open its mouth towards the number 81 like this. Look at its mouth. Okay children, another example is we are having two numbers 36 and 72. Okay, now tell me which number is bigger. First, you have to check the tens. This number 36 is having 3 tens and this number 72 is having 7 tens. So, the number having more number of tens will be eaten by Mr. Crocodile because that will be the bigger number. So, which number is bigger? Yes, 72. Now, Mr. Crocodile will eat this number 72. Clear? Okay children, there is another example in which we are having two digit numbers but both the numbers are having same number of tens. Look at the tens. This number 19 is having 9 ones and 1 10. This number 17 is having 7 ones and 1 10. Both of them are having same number of tens. So what will you do? You will check their ones. The number which will be having more number of ones will be bigger and it will be eaten by Mr. Crocodile. So 19 is having 9 ones, 17 is having 7 ones. So which number is bigger? Yes, number 19 because it is having 9 ones. So Mr. Crocodile will open its mouth towards number 19. Okay children, there is a question from your book page number 2. The question is, which way should hungry crocodile open his mouth? I will write few examples from this page on the board, then we will solve it. Students, there is a question, which way should hungry crocodile open his mouth? So let's apply the signs. The question, they have given you two numbers 18 and 19. You have to find out which number is bigger. Both the numbers having same number of tens, so we will check their ones. This number is having 8 ones and this number is having 9 ones. So the number 19 is having more number of ones, so this is bigger. So crocodile will open his mouth towards the number 19 like this. You can read it like this. 18 is smaller than number 19. The pointed end is towards the smaller number and the open mouth is towards the number 19. Next question is 14 and 24. Let's check the tens first. Number 14 is having 1 10. Number 24 is having 2 tens. So, which number is having more number of tens? 24. So, crocodile will open his mouth towards number 24. Next one is 21 and 29. Both of the numbers are having same number of tens. So Mr. Crocodile will check the ones. 21 is having 1, 1 and 29 is having 9 ones. So Crocodile will open his mouth towards number 29. The pointed end will be towards the number 21. Clear? Next question is 53 and 51. Which number is bigger? Tell me, students. Yes, number 53 is bigger. So, crocodile will open his mouth towards number 53 like this. We will read it like this. 53 is greater than 51. Hope you can solve the rest of the sums by yourself. Okay students, the next topic of today's lesson given in your book page number 2 is before, after and between. Okay, what is the meaning of before? If you're having a question in your book, write the number that comes before, after and between. So what will you do? Let's talk about before first. Before means earlier than. If you are having any number and if you want to know what comes before this number, you have to count backward in this direction. You have to count backward. Okay, so there is a number 8. So tell me class, which number comes before this number 8? Can you tell me? It's number 7. Number 7 comes before number 8. 7, 8, or in other order you will say 8, 7. Okay. Next thing is after. If you are having any number, for example number 10, and if you want to write which number comes after this number, what will you do? You have to count forward. You will move in this direction. Okay class, tell me which number comes after this number 10. Yes, it's number 11. Clear? 10, 11. We have counted forward. Okay. The other thing is between. Between means in the middle. If you are having two numbers, for example again number 8 and 10, so which number comes in the middle of these two numbers or in between these two numbers? 8. So what will you do? You can either count forward from this number 8 or you can count backward from this number 10. So which number will come between these two numbers 8 and 10? We can count forward from this number 8, 8, 10, 9, then 10, or from backward from this number 10. What comes, which number comes from between after or before this number, sorry, before this number 10? Number 9. So number 9 is between these two numbers. Clear? Okay children, there are few examples from your book page number 2. Let's solve it. Look at this question. Which number comes before this number 29? You have to count backward. It's number 28. Very good. From which number comes before 54? Which number comes before 54? Count backward. 54, 53. It's very easy. Great. And the next question is number 11. Which number comes before number 11? It's number 10. Very good, my dear students. Next is what comes after? Which number comes after this number 34? It's very easy. You have to count forward. 34, 35. Very good. 77, 78. Okay, 29. Okay, tell me. Count 27 from 25. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. It's 30. Like this. Okay, come to this portion between. There are two numbers. Either you can count forward or you can count backward. I think it's easy for you to count forward from this number 22. 22, then 23. 39, then number 40. Okay. 55, then yes. Hurry up, help me in solving it. I'm unable to do it. 55. Yes, it's 56. Clear, very good. Okay, is it clear to you? I hope you can solve the page number 2 of your book, Maths Countdown, by yourself. Thank you.